नमस्कार दर्शकबिन, युवाहरूको निम्ति केटिभीको विशेष प्रस्तुति साताको रोजगार समाचारमा यहाँहरूलाई स्वागत छ। 18 देखि 22 वर्षभित्रका उम्मेदवारहरू सिक्किम पुलिसको 283 वटा पदहरूमा नियुक्त गरिने भएको छ। यी पदहरूको निम्ति माध्यमिक तथा 8औं श्रेणी उत्तीर्ण उम्मेदवारहरूले 2 मे 2013 भित्र आवेदन गर्न सक्नेछन्।
सिक्किम पुलिस रिक्रुटमेन्ट 2013. Name of the post, Constable Followers. Number of vacancies, total 283 vacancies. Constable 223 posts, followers 60. Date of physical efficiency test 5th May 2013 to 8th May 2013 and 11th May 2013, 13th May 2013 to 15th May 2013. Date of written test 2nd June 2013. Age 18 to 22 years as on 1st May 2013. Relaxation as per government rules. Qualification criteria: matriculation / class 10 or class 8 passing past certificate for guards candidates. Qualification criteria: matriculation, class 10 or class 8 passing past certificate for home guards candidates. Minimum 8 for followers. Procedure: if criteria matches with above said eligibility conditions, candidates can apply for this recruitment. For this, candidate needs to take application form from Office of Police Department and fill all mandatory details correctly. Last day to apply 2nd May 2013. Address: Office of Commanding Officer, 3rd IRBN, Police Headquarters, Gangtok, or the Office of District SSP, East, South, West and North. For details visit sikimppolice.nic.in/irbn.html.
युनाइटेड इन्स्योरेन्स कम्पनी लिमिटेडको निम्ति 445 वटा एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिभ अफिसर्सका रिक्त पदहरू भर्न उम्मेदवारहरू चाहिएको छ। यसमा आवेदन गर्नको निम्ति अन्तिम मिति 18 अप्रिल 2013 तोकिएको छ।
United Insurance Company Limited requires administrative officers. Name of employer: United Insurance Company Limited. Name of post: Administrative Officer, Scale 1. Number of post 445. Qualification: graduate in any discipline with at least 60% marks, 55% for SC/ST. Postgraduate in any discipline with 55% marks, 50% for SC/ST. Age between 21 to 30 years. Relaxation as per rules. Fee rupees 525, rupees 125 for SC/ST PWD. Pay scale rupees 17,240 to 32,640 per month. Last day to apply 18th April 2013. For details visit www.uiic.co.in.
इन्डो टिबेटन बर्डर पुलिस फोर्सका विभिन्न पदहरूको निम्ति म्याट्रिक, आइटिआई, डिप्लोमा इन्जिनियर उम्मेदवारहरू चाहिएको छ।
Matric, ITI, Diploma Engineers wanted by ITBPF. Name of employer: Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force, Government of India. Name of post: Inspector, Hindi translator. Number of post: 13. Qualification: Master's degree in Hindi or English with Hindi or English compulsory subject or medium of education at degree level, or Master's degree in any subject with Hindi or English as compulsory subject at degree level, or Master's degree in any subject with Hindi or English as medium of education at degree level, or Bachelor's degree with Hindi and English as compulsory or elective subjects, or either of the two as medium of examination, or diploma or certified course in translation from Hindi to English and vice versa, or 2 years experience of translation work from Hindi to English and vice versa in central or state government. Age 30 years. Salary 9,300 to 34,800 plus grade pay rupees 4,600 per month. Name of post Head Constable. Number of post 104. Qualification matriculation. Age 18 to 25. Salary 5,200 to 20,200 plus grade pay rupees 2,400 per month. Name of post Constables. Number of post 104. Qualification matriculation. Age 18 to 25. Salary 5,200 to 20,200 plus grade pay rupees 2,000 per month. Name of post Constables. Drivers. Number of post 247. Qualification matriculation. Valid driving license with 2 years experience. Age 20 to 25 years. Salary 5,200 to 20,200 plus grade pay rupees 2,000 per month. Name of post Constable Motor Mechanic. Number of post 38. Qualification matriculation. Certified by ITI in automobile engineering / motor mechanism. Age 18 to 25 years. Salary 5,200 to 20,200 plus grade pay rupees 2,000 per month. Name of post Head Constable Motor Mechanic. Number of post 22. Qualification matriculation with certificate of motor mechanic from ITI with 3 years experience. Age 19 to 25 years. Salary 5,200 to 20,200 plus grade pay rupees 2,000 per month. Name of post Constable, Pioneer, Electrician, Plumber, Painter, Welder, Mason, Carpenter. Number of posts 141. Qualification matriculation with 1 year's experience in the trade. Age 18 to 23 years. Salary 5,200 to 20,200 plus grade pay rupees 2,000 per month. Name of post Sub-Inspector, Overseer. Number of post 80. Qualification matriculation with diploma in civil engineering. Age 20 to 25 years. Salary 9,300 to 34,800 plus grade pay rupees 4,200 per month. Application fee rupees 50 for general and OBC candidates only. Last date to apply 22nd April 2013. For further details visit www.itbpolice.nic.in and www.itbp.gov.in.
यी पदहरूमा आवेदन गर्न चाहने तथा गरिसकेका उम्मेदवारहरूले अधिक जानकारी तथा सहायता लिनको निम्ति चरित्र प्रकाशन कार्यालय कोडाक बिल्डिङ थानाडाँडामा सम्पर्क पनि गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ।
Please contact Office of Charitra Prakashan, Kodak Building, Thanadara, Kalimpong. Cell number 95637-64604.
हस्त दर्शकवृन्द, आजलाई यति नै। आउँदो साता फेरि रोजगार समाचारहरू लिएर उपस्थित हुने नै छु। तबसम्मको निम्ति म लगायत सम्पूर्ण केटिभी टोलीलाई बिदा दिनुहोस्। नमस्कार।